welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're doing a collaboration with the dude at the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. He's becoming the collaboration master. He's putting out another collab. This one is for hamburgers, cheeseburgers, whatever. It's hashtag Twisted Burger. I'm going to launch mine on the day it starts, May 9th. It runs through the 14th. So be sure to click on the hashtag, see if anybody else has uploaded yet. If not, definitely come back, hit it, and look at all the other cooks under the hashtag Twisted Burger. So for my Twisted Burger, oh, before I get started, Mike said, I'm sorry, Mike, the Duderino. Who's Mike? Anyway, the Duderino says, you know, make this regional. You know, if you live somewhere, make your Twisted Burger and have something regional involved. And, you know, I'm assuming if you know me, you probably think I'm going to do something with green chilies. A green chili burger something, right? Nah, I ain't going to do it today. But I do have something special for you. Today, I'm going to make a Sloppy Joe Smashburger. Yep, Twisted Burger, Sloppy Joe Smashburger. Let's get this going. Check it out. I hope you like it. And don't forget, check out the other people in the collab. And let's get this rolling. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hamburger down. This is for the Sloppy Joe. I am going to put some SPG in there, just because I can get this chopped up. So let's start getting our ingredients on here. One thing you're going to have to do is just a tiny bit of water for this amount. Okay. Then we're going to use ketchup. Let's say that much. Just a tiny bit of mustard. That's all Sloppy Joe mix is. We're going to put some little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there. And I've got salt, powdered garlic, powdered onion, brown sugar. Put that in there. And now let's get that all mixed up nice. That water and the ketchup and mustard, that helps kind of break up the hamburger to make it more like a Sloppy Joe. If you don't have big chunks of hamburger. I think for this one I'm going to add a little more Worcestershire sauce. Wash your sister sauce. Just a little bit. A little bit more ketchup. Alright, okay. I'm going to move this over to this side. I don't have these two burners on the right on. Before we get our smash burgers on there, I'm going to get my buns down. I've got some nice hamburger buns. I do have mayonnaise on it. I like using mayonnaise when we're going to have a sloppy burger. Kind of helps keep it firm. I'm going to turn up my fire a little bit so we can get some good crust on the patties. Okay, so we're done. I think these two are done. All right, let's see how that looks. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Looks good. Okay, got our buns done. Now to get our smash burgers. All right, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We'll put a little bit of SPG on there. Okay, get these guys smashed. Okay, we're getting a little brown in here, getting a little bubbling in the inside. Look at that. Ah, flip that one. I like the cheese as soon as I flip. This one needs to be over in the heat. I don't have those two burners on, so. This one over here looks like it needs some sloppy joe on there. Pile it on pretty good. Those patties at 3 ounces. And then of course the rest of the meat we get to pile on just to make a nice big wonderful burger. Okay, that one will be my wife's. She only wants the 1 piece of cheese. My nephew and myself, we're going to do an extra piece of cheese right on top. Okay, all right, so let's get one built here. Okay. Throw that one down. That one's for my wife. Look at that one. Yes, sir. Put the lid right on it. Sloppy Joe Smashburgers. Look at that. So good. Okay, how about that? Quick, easy, whip up your own Sloppy Joe. It's very simple, simple ingredients. You don't need to buy a can of Manwich or anything like that. Just make it yourself. Smash a burger, put it on top. Look at that. Telling you, this is gonna be messy. I think I'm gonna have to hold my plate underneath. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, let's eat it. Boy, you get the best of both worlds there. You get that smash burger. I can taste the smash burger, and then the Sloppy Joe on top. The flavors of the ketchup, the mustard, the garlic, the onion powder, everything all comes together. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I can't turn it, or I'll probably lose all the innards. I don't know. Whoop, there went one. I tell you what, that is fantastic. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Very important. All right, there you go. Sloppy Joe Smashburger on the Blackstone Griddle. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you come back. We got more. We'll see you on the next video.